In this video, you'll learn how to buy XRP, also known as Ripple, using the OKX wallet app. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate the app efficiently to complete your purchase. Begin by opening the OKX wallet app on your device. Once the app is launched, you will be greeted with the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your wallet balance and recent transactions. Look for the options available at the bottom of the screen, where you should see Trade, Swap, and DEX. Next, tap on either Trade or Swap to initiate the process of purchasing XRP. If you chose Trade, you will be directed to a screen that displays various cryptocurrency trading options. If you selected Swap, you will see a simple interface designed for exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. Both options will lead you to the same outcome of acquiring XRP. After that, you need to search for XRP or Ripple in the search bar provided. As you type, suggestions will appear. Once you see XRP listed, select it to proceed. Following this, you will be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to use for the purchase, such as USDT, ETH, or BNB. Select your preferred option carefully, as this will determine how your transaction is executed. Now, enter the amount you want to spend on XRP. Make sure to double-check the amount you input to ensure it aligns with your budget. After entering the amount, review the network fees associated with the transaction. These fees can vary based on the cryptocurrency you are using, so be mindful of the total cost before proceeding. Once you've confirmed all details, tap on Confirm or Swap to finalize your transaction. A loading indicator may appear, showing that your transaction is being processed. After a brief moment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your purchase was successful. You can now check your OKX wallet balance to see the XRP reflected there. XRP will now be available in your OKX wallet balance. You can choose to hold, send, or swap it at any time, depending on your future trading strategies. Keep in mind that the value of XRP can fluctuate, so consider monitoring it regularly if you plan to engage in trading activities.